Do we have discussed this topic? Why should curd and sour substance should not be kept in copper vessels? We have not done this one.
No, no, sir.
Do we have discussed the amphoteric oxides?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Start writing alkalis. There are some bases that are water soluble. Okay. There are some bases that are water soluble, and these bases are called alkalis. Okay. Note it down. Water soluble base are called alkalis. Means there are some bases that can be soluble in water, and those bases, example KOH and MgOH, NaOH are the examples of strong bases. Okay, they are strong alkalis.
Okay.
They are water soluble. You used to live in hostel.
Sorry, sir.
You used to live in hostel,
No, sir.
or or you live along with your parents.
With my parents. Yes, sir.
Done. So that's
Yes,
that's
sir.
why we will say that all alkalis are bases because all alkalis, all water soluble base are alkali. So all alkalis are bases, but there are some bases that do not dissolve in water. Okay, so that are not considered as alkalis. So we'll say that all bases are alkalis. Sorry, all
Alkalis.
alkalis are bases, but all bases are not alkalis. Note it down.
Okay. Done.
Done. Now the question comes in examination that why the curd and the sour substance should not be kept in the metallic vessels. Can you answer me this question? Why the curd and the sour substance should not be kept in metallic vessels?
There it corrodes.
Answer me this question. Curd and sour substance should not be
Sorry,
kept in
sir.
vessels. Curd and sour substance should not be kept in vessels because, like for example, if I'm taking curd means sour or sour substance. They are considered. They have acids. Okay, acids when react with metals, they will give you salt plus hydrogen gas, and this salt
Yes,
may
sir.
be poisonous. Maybe poisonous.
Poisons.
Okay, it may be poisonous. Or secondly, if it is not poisonous, it may change the taste of the substance. Okay, not only the salt that we eat, NaCl, that is the salt that we can consume in our body. But if I'm talking about aluminum phosphate is a poison that we, if a person take, he will die. Okay, so aluminum phosphate is a salt, but if a person intake it, then he will die. Okay, so we'll simply say that it is. Got it? You understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is why should curd and sour substance should not be kept in copper vessels. Know this answer, please. Metallic vessels react with acid to form salts and water. It may be poisonous or may change the taste of sour substance like curd, etc. Therefore, such substance should be avoided from keeping them in metallic vessels. Done?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. And the next topic is pH scale. You know that there is a scale that has an indication that indicate us whether some substance is acidic or basic. Okay, so that we
Yes,
called
sir.
it
I know.
pH scale. It has a scale which has number from 0 to 14. In the 7 is the middle and 14 is here. The if a solution is going to have pH less than 7, it is considered to be as acidic. More nearer to the 0, more will be the acidic. Okay. Similarly, if any solution is going to have pH greater than 7, that is considered to be as basic solution, and at 7 it is neutral. Okay,
Okay, sir.
note it down. Make this one pH scale.
Sir, what is meaning of P? I can't read that. PO?
P means potence, power. pH means power of hydrogen ions. So P is potence, Greek word which means power, potence. POTENZ, potence. Done.
Yes, sir. Not sir.
Now what do you
Yes, sir.
mean by the pH? pH means pH of a solution can be defined as negative logarithm. We're going to explain you what is negative logarithm. Negative log, we can use the word negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. Okay. So what is pH? The pH of a solution can be defined as negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration in mole per liter. In mole per liter. Note it down, then I'm going to explain you. And write pH is equals to minus log into H plus ion concentration. Note it down.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay. So let me explain you here one thing, that what is negative log and what do you mean by negative logarithm. Okay. It is just similar to that of like I'm talking about it is a mathematical term. Log is a mathematical term. Like for example, if I explain you, like I'm writing it that 2 into 3, will it be equals to 8? No.
No, sir.
2 into 3, it is incorrect. 2 into 3 is not equal to 8, it is equal to 6.
Okay.
Or if I write it like this way, that 2 into 3, can you write it like 2 raised to the power 3?
No, sir.
You can't write it. But if I write log 10 raised to the power 2, so you can write it 2 into log 10. This log enables us that the power can comes here. Like I'm writing log 10 raised to the power 5. So it means 5 into log 10.
Okay, sir.
Got it? And the value of log 10
Yes,
is
sir.
1. Log 10, the value of log 10 is 1. So if I'm writing log 10 raised to the power 6, it means 6 into log 10, that is equals to 6 into 1. You can write equal to 6. Got it?
Okay, sir.
As I'm saying that if you have the pH is equals to minus log of hydrogen ion concentration. If you write minus into log and you have hydrogen ion concentration at 10 to the power minus 3, so will you able to write it like this way? Minus 3 into log 10. You'll get minus minus plus 3 into log 10.
3 log 10.
You'll get 3 into 1. You'll get 3.
Okay, sir.
It means simply if you have log pH is equals to minus log into 10 to the power minus 5, what you will write it?
pH is equal to 5 log 10.
Minus into 5 into log 10.
Minus 1. 5
Minus
log
minus
10.
plus, you will get 5 log 10. The value of log 10 is,
5 into 1. 5.
it means that if you have the hydrogen and concentration 10 to the power minus 5, you have pH minus 10, plus 5. Okay, got
Okay.
it?
Yes, sir.
Simply you can indicate here that you can understood here one thing, that if the pH, okay, if the pH of a solution is, okay, if the pH of a solution is 1, then the hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 1. If the pH is 8, the hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 8. If the pH is 2, the hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 2. If the hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 5, then
Okay.
the pH of the solution is this. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So note this one. Note this thing. Log a raised to the power b is equals to b into log a minus log a raised to the power b. Note it down this one.
Okay, sir. Done.
Done? Very good.
Yes, sir.
So here you have to note it down. That whenever we are just talking about like 10 to the power minus 8 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 zeros, 0.7 zeros and then 1. It is 10 to the power minus 8. You understood?
Okay, sir.
Understood? So
Yes, sir.
here, note it down. Note this one that pH is equals to 1, then hydrogen ion concentration will be 10 to the power minus 1. If pH is 8, then hydrogen ion concentration will be 10 to the power minus 8. pH is 2.
Okay, sir. Done.
Now, moving to the next part here is, you have to keep in mind always that one thing that you need to keep in mind, that the concentration, the product of H plus ion in a solution and OH minus ion concentration is always 10 to the power minus 14. You understood what I'm
Okay,
saying?
sir. 10 square minus
Always.
14. Okay.
If I'm saying that a solution has 10 to the power minus 2 concentration of this one, what should be the concentration of OH ion?
Mm, so 12.
10 to the power minus 12. If you have 10 to the power minus 6 here, then what should be the H plus ion concentration?
Minus
OH
6.
ion
Minus 6. Minus 8.
minus 8.
10 minus 8.
If you had 10 to the power minus 7, this one, then what you will going to have?
Minus 7. 10 square minus 7.
This is the 7, this is the pH. 10 to the power H plus ion concentration 10 to the power minus 7 means pH is equals to, if the H plus ion is 10 to the power minus 7, then pH will be equals to 7.
Okay,
You
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
If the H plus ion concentration is 7,
Yes,
10 to
sir.
the power minus 7, then then the OH, and that in that solution OH ion concentration is also 10 to the power minus 7. If the concentration of H plus
Okay.
ions and the OH negative ion is same, then here the pH is 7. pH is 7. And the
Sure.
OH and H plus ion concentration is same. H plus ion, comma, OH negative ion
And
concentration
over.
is same. That's why we say that at 7 pH the things is neutral. Why? Because the acidic character is the same in that, and the basic character is same there. Okay, got it?
Okay, sir.
Why it
Yes,
is
sir.
acidic? Why it is acidic? Because here the concentration of acidic substances. Therefore, why it is acidic? Because the here the
More.
H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 2. This is the H plus ion concentration here. And what is the OH ion concentration? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is the OH negative ion concentration. Do you see here that
Okay,
it
sir.
is because H plus ion concentration is more and OH ion concentration is less. That's why it is basic. This solution is basic. This solution
Okay, sir.
is all, sorry, this solution is acidic. Acidic. Acidic because H plus ion concentration is more. Okay, you
Sir,
understood?
how is it?
0.01
Okay, sir.
is greater than 0.0001. Okay, understood?
Okay, sir. Got it.
So that's why
Yes, sir.
we'll say that here the concentration of H plus ion is more than the concentration of OH negative ion. Understood?
Yes, sir.
The solution will be acidic. Note this one. Note each and every. Note in the decimal forms also.
Okay, sir.
Sorry for that.
Yes, sir.
Right, not.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, this one then.
Yes, sir, done. Huh? Sir, you're showing some other page.
You done? You noted this one? The product of the H plus ion concentration to the OH minus ion concentration is always 10 to the power minus 14.
You-
You noted this one?
Yes, sir.
The product of the concentration of H plus ion to the OH ion concentration is always. Oh, now
Yes,
I
sir,
ask
done.
you a simple question, very simple question. This is an NCRT question. Do the basic solutions also have H plus ions? Do the basic solutions also have H plus ion?
This is yes, sir.
How can you prove this?
Should have.
Can you tell me how can you say this one? That the basic solutions also have H plus ions? Can you tell me this one?
No, sir.
Let's then imagine that a pH of a solution is 9. 9. So 9 pH means, or the pH of a solution is 10. Let's suppose the pH of a solution is 10. So it is basic at pH 10. Greater than 7 is basic, na? Greater than 7 is basic.
Seven
Okay,
is
the
basic.
pH 10 means that the H plus ion concentration is as for minus 10.
Mine 10. Yes,
And the
sir.
OH ion concentration in that one will be in that solution.
10 minus 4.
10 to the power minus 4. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 0.04. So
Yes,
if
sir.
a solution has a pH 10 to the
Okay.
power minus 10. So it means it has H plus ion concentration this value. And the OH ion concentration is, since we'll simply say here that the OH ion concentration is much greater than H plus ion concentration.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll simply say here this one. Okay, note it down. How does, so will you be able to explain this one? Okay, try to write down in your own words this question. Yes, the basic solutions also have H plus ion. Uh, do the basic solution also have H plus ions? You will write yes, yes, the basic solutions also have. For example, also have H plus ions. For example, if a solution has pH 30, explain it with this one. Note down the question. Do the basic solutions also have H plus ion concentration? So first write it. Yes, the basic solutions also have H plus ions. Then explain it. For example, if a solution has pH 13 pH 13 is pH is equals to 13, it is basic. Then it will have H plus ion concentration 10 to the minus 13 mole per liter, and that of
10
and that of
minus 4.
what are you saying? And that of
Sorry, sir.
OH negative ions will be 10 to the power minus 1 mole per liter. Since the basic solutions, since the number of H plus ion
Sir, what
concentration,
is mole per liter?
that is a concentration that you have not studied, but you have to write it. Like for example, force unit is Newton, mass unit is kg. Simply the
Okay, sir.
concentration unit is mole per liter. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one more point here, and that of OH ion concentration will be transformed at mole minus 1 mole per liter. Then note it down. Since the concentration of OH ions is more than H plus ions, since the concentration of OH ion is more than H plus ions, since the concentration of OH negative ion is more than H plus ions, hence the solution is basic in nature.
Okay, sir. Done.
Okay. The question comes, how does the concentration of H plus ion means hydronium ions or H plus ion? H plus ion is also called hydronium ion affected when a solution is diluted. Okay, so note it down. If a strong acid is diluted, that in that case, the dilutions, note it down. In case of strong acids, strong acid dilution, then the hydrogen ions decreases. But in case of weak acid, the H plus ion concentration slightly increases. When weak acids are diluted, its pH value increases. Its H plus ion concentration increases. But when strong acids are diluted, then their pH value increases. Okay, note it down.
Okay, sir.
You done?
No, sir. I'm writing the case too.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. One more question. If you have two solutions, okay, of same pH. Okay, if I'm saying that there are two solutions A and B having pH 2 and 4 respectively. What is the ratio?
1:2.
Concentration. Tell me. What is the ratio of their H plus ion concentration?
Sir, 1:2.
No, it is not 1:2. Check it again.
So I'm not getting it. I think it's 5. Is it 5:4?
If I'm saying A has pH 2, then their H plus ion concentration will be 10 to the power -2. I'm saying
Okay, sir.
B has pH 4. Its H plus ion concentration would be 10 to the power
4.
-4. So A
8.
10 to the power -2
Okay, sir.
divided by 10 to the power -4. This 4 will goes up, will become 10 to the power -2 plus 10 to the power -2, and because the same base, the power divide, the powers will get subtracted. So -4. We will get 10 raised to the power -2 plus 4, that will be 10 to the power +2. You will get ratio as 100:1. Understood?
No, sir, I didn't understand the ratio.
10 to the power -2 divided by 10 to the power -4. H plus ion concentration you understand? pH is 10. So H plus ion concentration will be 10 to the power -10. The pH
Yes,
is
sir.
4, then so divide it. Simple. Ratio means divide this upon this. This power when goes
Okay,
up,
sir. Okay.
it will be added now, because negative power will become plus. Base is same.
Added or okay, sir.
-2 minus, like for example, you have 10's power, what you do like this, 10's power minus, you can do this one like this way, 0.00001 divided by 123 0.0, this is 10's power -2 divided by 10's power -4. You can do like this. Now their decimals 1 2 3 4
Okay.
4 digit after, and here is 2 digit after, so you have to place 2 zeros here, so that now 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, so both the digits add up same place, so you will remove the decimals now. Now this is 100 is to 0 0
Yeah.
0 1 0 is 100, and upon 1 this 0 0 0 1 is 1, is 100 is to 1. You understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir. I understand.
Okay, just a minute. So will you be able to answer the question number 5?
Okay, okay, sir. How is the concentration of hydrogen affected when solution of it? Sir, when strong as when in case one,
In
you
case of what?
just showed me the question. When
What is
case
saying?
strong acids,
It decreases. The H plus ion concentration
hydrogen, the
decreases.
hydrogen, yes, sir, the
Yeah.
H plus ions concentration decreases, and in case of
Why?
weak acids,
Slightly.
the
You have to
H
use word
plus
slightly.
ion
Slightly increases. Okay.
slightly increase.
Now question number 6. Note down the question number 6. Noted?
Yes, sir.
What should be the answer for this question?
In case of strong acids on dilution, OH minus ions concentration increases.
Yeah, when you are adding more base in a solution, then H plus and OH and concentration will increases. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now this you have to do it with your NCRT. You have to read this or the pH change into decay. Okay, if the pH goes below 5.5, then the means the food that we eat, okay, get stuck in our mouth, and the bacteria convert that food. If we don't brush, then bacteria convert that food into acid. Okay, and if
Okay,
the
sir.
pH of the solution get below 5.5, then the enamel, the tooth enamel get corroded. Okay? Enamel is the hardest substance that is written here, made up of calcium hydroxypatite. Okay, so you have to write it down. A crystalline form of calcium phosphate, made up of calcium phosphate and named as calcium hydroxypatite. Okay, so if it goes, it will
Okay,
start
sir.
corroding and will the main layer of the tooth will be will simply say that come in the contact with the acid and it start corroding. Okay. Similarly, honeybee. If you honeybee get sting, then you can do this one. Nettle plants, we have done this one previously. If the nettle plants are having what methanoic acid, if it comes in the contact with us, then it inject the methanoic acid to our body, and it will result in pain. The remedy is a dog plant nearer it. We see dog plant remedy, DOCK dog plant. Here it is written. Check it. The dog plant is a remedy for this nettle plant, which is basic in nature. If you rub it there, where you get touch with the nettle plant, then it will be okay.
Neutralize.
Okay. Yeah, it will.
Okay, sir.
Do the basic solution have extra signs? If yes, then why they are basic? Okay, so we have done this one. Okay,
Yes, sir. We done this question.
and what is the effect of H plus ions on the nature of the solution? What effect does the H plus ion concentrations have on the nature of the solution? More the H plus ions, more will be the acidic character. Okay, got it.
Okay, sir. Yes,
And
sir.
if we have question number 4, note the question number 4.
Okay, sir. Done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
So, what under what condition do you think the farmer should treat the soil with the quicklime? Quicklime is basic in nature. Okay, calcium oxide, metal oxides are basic in nature. So when the pH of the solution, pH of the means less than 7, or we say that it is acidic. Okay, so we'll treat it with this one. Quicklime same or calcium carbonate same. Okay, so same when the pH of the
Okay, sir.
soil is acidic. Note it down when the pH of the solution is acidic. Note the answer. Write the answer question number 10. Question number 10. It is important. Question number 10. Note it down in your copy. Equal length of magnesium ribbons are taken in a test tube.
Yes, sir. This came in exam.
Came in exam. Okay, do it. Note this one. This is an important question.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Done.
Okay. Answer clear?
Sorry, sir.
What should be the answer? Voice is cracking.
Sir, the fizzing will occur more vigorously in test tube A.
Yeah, why? Why?
Um, I acetic acid is
Yeah,
HCl
because
is a much more stronger acid than acetic acid.
yeah, we'll simply say that. Okay.
It's has a high.
Yeah, we'll simply say that because H plus ions because it's strong acid, HCl is a strong acid. That's why we'll say that it will react vigorously with this one. Okay. But if I'm saying that in the two solution, that if I'm just changing the question, it is saying that we have equal length of magnesium ribbon is added to test tube A and B in the hydrochloric acid is added to test tube A and B is going to have, and their amount and the concentration of both the acids are same. What is saying? Amount and the concentration taken for both the acid are same. Do you know what is concentration? If it is saying concentration of both the acid are same, amount and the concentration. Okay, amount is same and the concentration is same. Concentration means uh that
That's
if 1 mole or 2 mole or 3 mole, whatever it is, okay, amount and the concentration of both the acids are same. But if it is saying that, if instead of this one, if it say that the concentration of H plus ion of both the acid is same, concentration of H plus ions in both the acid is same, what then in which test tube will it occurs more vigorously?
current test tube A.
No, no. If it instead was just remaining both the amount and the concentration of acid, instead of acid, if it said H plus ions, then we'll say that the reaction will occurs at the same rate. It is just similar that if I'm asking you that 5 kg cotton
Okay.
and 5 kg cotton and 5 kg salt, which is heavier?
Both are same.
Both are same. Both have same weight. So same if I'm saying the concentration of H plus ion is same. Concentration of H plus ion is same. So what does it means?
So it means the
That H plus ion, for example,
pH it will be same on the pH scale.
CF same on the pH scale. The pH is same, then the acid will be of same power.
Okay.
Okay, then they will. If I'm saying that yeah, the concentration of acids. So like if I'm having 100 concentration means of acid, what is the difference between the concentration of acid and concentration of H plus ion? But it's saying concentration means, for example, if I'm saying 1 lakh H plus ions in test tube A, and 1 lakh H plus ions in test tube B. This means that the concentration of H plus ion is same. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And if I'm saying that concentration of acid is same, it means that 1 lakh HCl, 1 lakh HCl and 1 lakh CH3COH. Both are. Now you know that since the CH3COH is weak acid, okay, so it will dissociate less number of H plus ions. So out of 1 lakh HCl will give 1 lakh H plus ions. But out of 1 lakh CH3COH, it may be possible that it can give only 10,000 of H plus ions. Are you getting a point?
Yes, sir.
Concentration of acids and concentration of H plus ions is different.
Okay, sir.
Like for example, if I'm saying that you have let you have means we will simply say that you have groundnuts. Okay, groundnuts.
Okay, sir.
A person is saying that you person A and person B has
Okay.
having groundnuts. Okay, and you wrap it at every person in every you are having a groundnut in which there is everyone is going to have two seeds. Two seeds. Every groundnut is going to have two seeds. Groundnut, you understand what is groundnut?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
There is another person who is having groundnut, but it is having only one seed. Both are having the same number of groundnuts. 50,001, 50,000 those. So when you open, the person who is having groundnut, 50,000 groundnut with two seeds, he is going to have how much? 1 lakh seeds.
Double. Yes, sir.
Another person is going to have
50,000.
50,000 seeds. So he the groundnut A will be more powerful. But if I'm saying that both are having equal number of seeds, 50,000 this one, 50,000 this one, it's okay.
Both are equal.
Both will be powerful. So same thing. If I'm
Yes,
saying
sir.
the concentration of H plus ion is same, the concentration of H plus ion means they both are having, let's suppose I'm saying 50,000 same concentrations. Number of H plus ion. Concentration means number of H plus ion present in per liter of solution. Okay, number of
Okay,
H plus
sir.
ions. So if I'm saying that concentration of H plus ions of A and concentration of H plus ion is same, that means they have equal number of H plus ions. So whether it is the H plus ions of CH3COH or the H plus ions of HCl, it is having same power. Okay, but if I'm saying concentration of HCl is same, concentration of HCl is same to that of concentration of
Acetic acid.
CH3 acetic acid. That in that case, you have to keep in mind that CH3COH, if we have 5 CH3COH, let's suppose, and 5 HCl. So out of this 5 HCl, everyone is going to give you H plus ions. But it might be possible that only in this 5 CH3COH, only 2 are going to give you the H plus ions. So acidic property will be shown only by these 2. These are present, but they are not showing their property. Okay, so if they are having 5, we are having 5. So this 5 are more powerful. Okay, because it offers strong acids.
Okay, sir.
Equal concentration. You understood of acid difference between? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's all for today.
Yes,
we'll
sir.
meet you in the next one. Thanks for coming.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Sarah. How are you? Is I'm audible?
Yeah.
So wait for 5 minutes so that a student may also join. Okay.
Oh, okay.